Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. My last video was about all the free night rewards that come with Hilton cards, because the Hilton Free Night Rewards are some of the best free night rewards you can get out of all the different hotel programs. But just as I made that video and I was editing it, they came out with new sign-up bonuses on a bunch of different cards that offer more free night rewards. So this video is going to be about these new sign-up bonuses for these Hilton cards and how to use them and where we can use these free night rewards. If you're new to the channel, I'm Justin, and I like talking about credit cards and reward points to get the most out of life. If you like credit cards and you like reward points, you should give this video a thumbs up and you should subscribe to the channel. Now, with that out of the way, like I said, the Hilton Free Night Rewards are some of the best free night rewards out there. While all the other programs kind of have limits on what kind of hotels you can book with their free night rewards, Hilton gives you the most flexibility and allows you to redeem for the highest end properties. With Marriott, you have different tiers of free night rewards like $35K, $50K, and $85K. So those certificates can only be used for properties that are going for that amount of points. For Hyatt certificates, they have categories 1 through 4 and then categories 1 through 7. And there are a lot of great properties that are category 7 in the Hyatt portfolio, but some of the very best Hyatt properties are category 8. And there are no certificates that you can use to redeem at those properties. But the Hilton Free Night Rewards, they're eligible for almost any Hilton property. There is a list of properties that are not included and are not eligible for the free night reward, and you can find a little list here, and I counted and it's 54 Hilton properties. But when you look at the total portfolio of Hilton, there's over 7,000 locations. So 54 properties that you can't redeem at, that's a pretty small amount considering that you have 7,000 properties. And as long as you have standard room availability at that property, you should be able to redeem your free night reward for a stay there. And I'll show you what that looks like in a little bit. First though, we'll talk about these new sign-up bonuses. The first sign-up bonus we have is on the Hilton Honors Card. The Hilton Honors Card has no annual fee and has a sign-up bonus of 70,000 Hilton points and one free night reward after spending $1,000 on the card. Besides that, this card really doesn't offer much. It offers some silver status, but that's about it, and that's really not worth talking about. The big draw here is an easy way to get a free night reward from this no annual fee card. Then the elevated bonus on the Hilton Surpass card. This is the $95 annual fee card and has a sign-up bonus of 130,000 Hilton points and your free night reward after spending only $2,000 on the card in 2 months. This is where things get really interesting because some of the top tier Hilton properties, they go for about 120,000 Hilton points at their standard room rate availability. So making the sign-up bonus plus having a free night reward should be able to get you 2 nights at some of the top Hilton properties in the world. This card's going to give you another way to earn a free night reward too by putting spending on the card. After spending $15,000 on the card in a calendar year, you earn a free night reward. So altogether, with the sign-up bonus and some spending, you could stay at some of the top properties in the world with this card for 3 nights. The Hilton Business Card, that's going to give us a free night reward plus a sign-up bonus of 150,000 Hilton points after spending $4K on the card in 3 months. Now, the Hilton Business Card is kind of similar to the Surpass card, has an annual fee of $95, offers gold status, offers those same 10 visits to Priority Pass, and then you can earn free night certificates with this after spending your $15K on the card, but you could also earn a second free night after spending $60,000 on the card. And if you go that way, you're going to earn some diamond status with this card because you can earn diamond status after $40,000 in spend on the business Hilton card. Now, to use these free night rewards, you're going to need to have standard room rate availability. And then once you find it, you're going to have to call up Hilton to make the reservation. And each free night reward is going to have a little award ID, and you need to give that number to the agent on the Hilton side for them to make the booking. Let's go ahead onto the Hilton website, and we'll look at a couple properties and check for some standard room availability. One of these aspirational trips that you can book is the Grand Wailea Waldorf Astoria in Hawaii. Now, to find a room, the easiest way is probably to, when you click on your dates, make sure you check My Dates Are Flexible because it'll bring up a calendar view for you. And we're going to probably have to look ahead a little bit. So we'll go ahead and look at September 18th and 19th, see what we have. So we have our hotel here, and let's go ahead and look at available dates. So rooms are going for about $800 a night, but we need to make sure we check on use points. Now this is going to bring us a calendar view of how many points it costs to stay each night. And for here we have 110,000 points, but right here's the key, standard room reward. That means for all these nights, we would be able to book using our free night reward. Now, if we look back in July, we have these premium room rewards, and these would not be eligible for our free night reward. So we do have to find that standard room reward. Another one of those big aspirational hotels is the Conrad Bora Bora. So let's take a look for that. View available dates, use points. This view is good for booking these kind of properties that'll be booked well ahead into the future. So looking at December, we have a night here, December 1st, then a standard room here on the 4th, couple nights here on the 19th and 20th. So you'd be able to look around depending on how many nights that you wanted to stay. So all the way up into February, we do have some standard room rewards, but there's a couple 2 nights in a row, and you have to go all the way out to February to find 3 nights of availability in a row. And the last one we will take a look at is the Maldives. So we'll go ahead all the way out to, we'll go November again and take a look. Dates are flexible. What do we want? Do we want the Conrad, Maldives, or the Waldorf Astoria? We'll take a look at the Waldorf Astoria here. These rooms go for $2,600 a night. Gotta make sure we click on use points. In November, we have 1 room of availability. And you have to go out to April of 2024 to find a couple rooms of consecutive standard room reward availability at the Waldorf Astoria. We got the 1st and 2nd, and 23rd and 24th. And we have a couple other rooms in the middle there. If we didn't want to pay 1 million points a night, we would have to pay a full $3,000 a night, maybe $2,400 a night. So those are the new sign-up bonuses that are offering free night rewards with Hilton Honors, and a few properties and how to use these free night rewards. If you're interested in getting other free night certificates with Marriott, Hyatt, and Hilton, I made a video about that. I'll link that up here somewhere that you go check out. Go ahead, click on that, and I'll see you in that next video. But before you go click on that video, really appreciate a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Then I want you to go have a good day, all right? Justin out.